In this episode, we will show you how to create a bundle product in Magento 2. A bundle product lets customers build their own from an assortment of options. The bundle could be a gift basket, computer, or anything else that can be customized. Each item in the bundle is a separate. On the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, select Products. On the Add Product menu, choose Bundle Product, enter the product name and SKU. A dynamic SKU set to yes, that could be assigned automatically to each bundle item. To have the price reflect the options chosen by the customer, set dynamic price to yes and leave price blank. Complete the basic settings following these steps, or you could custom as you need. Scroll down to the Bundle Items section and set Ship Bundle Items. Choose options title and input type. Click Add Products to option. If there are many products, use the list filters and pagination controls to find the products you need. And select the checkbox of each product that you want to include in this option. When finished, click Add Selected Products. After the items appear in the Options section, enter the quantity of each item that is to be added to the bundle when a customer chooses the item. Set the default image for your bundle product. When complete, click Save. If you are ready to publish the product in the catalog, set Enable Product to Yes. Now let's check it out. In the admin sidebar, go to Catalog, select Products. Search for Mountain Marathon Clothing. Do the same way with the storefront product page. As you can see, the bundle product has been created. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,